my 2007 Honda CRF50 with the 108 race head with a TB high volume oil pump and TB pressure fittings to a oil cooler. It's got Pro Circuit T4 exhaust. Let's see, right. And Two Brothers high-rise seat. Pro taper bars, Renthal grips, BBR super stock, swing arm stretch 3 inches, shock rear suspension, BBR SP5 forks. The motor is pretty much stock, I mean the transmission, with the only thing done to it is a stroker crank. I mean, it's got the 3 gears still. Here's the Honda. And it's got BBR skid plate. The only thing stock on this bike pretty much is just the frame and the gas tank. That's the only stock thing on this bike, and it's got Two Brothers gold rims. And got an extra set of white plastic for it. I got all the stock parts for it, and it's for sale on Craigslist. And that's my bike. And you can't do this. Got it wired up to accept the Honda key. So, and I put it in a spot where nobody would ever expect. I put it right there under the rear fender. So, go ahead and turn it on. And turn the gas on, and I'm gonna start it up. I'm in gear still. Feels cold. Shit.
Time on cash my road. Extreme entertainment. This is the way I live. Little boy still pushing big wheels. I stack my money, lay low and chill. Don't need to work hard, that's the way I feel.